So I'm going to type find font on Google, and then let's see, we're going to just, it's going to give us many options. Okay, so you're going to find out which option will better work for us. Now, I like to use Font Spring, because sometimes, even though it's simple to use, you can also use the image finder as well. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to click on it. Now you see the box where it says select an image. I'm going to click on upload image to upload it, or I'll click and I'll drag the image in there, and then it works. So I'm going to drag the image in there like I said, and then I'll release it, and it will start processing. It doesn't take really much time. Now once it's done processing, it's going to give us various options and fonts we can use. All right, so there's also a blue box or a blue line around the whole thing. I'm going to drag it to fit the exact word or letter I want to sample. Now you can use it on the entire word, you can use it on just one particular alphabet, just to get what you want to do. So I'm going to sample the entire phrase or the entire word, and then I'm going to make sure it's accurate. Now once it's done, just have to scroll down. It's really quite easy. Scroll down, and then there is a button over there I want you to click. It's called Maturate It. Once you click on it, it doesn't take much time, just a few seconds, and it's going to find the fonts for you. Now, even most interesting, it's going to give you many options. Okay, so I'll keep scrolling down. It's going to give me many options. Now, these options, I'm going to choose the one that closely fits it. Now, the first one fits it 100%, but I'm still going to look down a little bit. Maybe I might find more fonts that really I can work with. Okay, so I'm scrolling down, but I feel like the font in front is the one that best fits it. That is the name of the font. Let's see. Okay, so it's called Handle Gothic. Handle Gothic. This is just one part of it. Now, even though we found the font, we also, let's create a new tab. Let me show you something. Now, even though we found the font, guys, the font is not really free. When you look at the right side of it, it says $12. Two font styles for $12, and so we need to find a way to get it. Many sites also offer this for free, so let's find out whether we can get it. Type the name of the font over there, Handle Gothic. Okay, I'll also delete the irrelevant side. Okay, so Handle Gothic, then I'm going to search for it. Also going to give us a whole lot of options. Okay, we always have the right to choose which one we want. You scroll down, you scroll up, which one you find interesting. I think I'm going to go with the first one, because I feel like it's good. Font or download, I'm going for it. I'll click on it, and then as you can see, it's giving us two font styles. Now the best way to get it is to just go to the right side and click on the download button over there. It won't take much time, and then you will have it so that you can install it on your PC and Photoshop. Now guys, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, because there are more videos. I don't want you to miss out on any of them. This is a graphic design, great design. I'll see you in the next video.